Welcome to today's Rockler demo. Time's running out to fill out that holiday gift list, but there's still time to make a gift. So today, I'm going to show you how to turn this beautiful and unique wood handle for one of our turning kits, such as this bottle opener, or a pizza cutter, or a bottle stopper. So let's get started. Now I've already mounted the turning blank on the lathe, so we're ready to get started. Hey, what's up? Hey. Making a gift like that guy's doing is great, but if you're running a little short on time, you can always pick up or order a great gift from Rockler that will please any woodworker on your gift list. Let's start with 5 favorites. We'll start with the new Rockler glue roller. It's not flashy, but it is something that will get a lot of use. It's the latest addition to our many silicone gluing tools. It makes it quick and easy to apply glue to a large surface, and the dry glue peels right off. Next, for the high-tech gadget fan, our 4-piece digital measuring kit. It includes a digital level box, digital height gauge, digital caliper, and digital angle ruler protractor. Everything you need to measure stock and set up machines. Or how about a project kit like these weather station dials that'll inspire them to create their next project? They can measure temperature, atmospheric pressure, and humidity. These dials can be installed in a variety of materials. Next, if you're buying for a woodworker, they're probably a fan of Rockler, so why not buy them one of our Rockler branded products? Choose from things like a shop stool, hat, tumbler, apron, or notepad. These are things they can use every day. Finally, when in doubt, you can always set them up for a shopping spree with a Rockler gift card. There you have it, 5 great gift ideas that any woodworker would love to receive. Or, if you've got the time, you can't go wrong with a handmade gift. Like this bottle opener. Thanks, Dan. He's the best. We hope you and your family have a safe and happy holiday season. I'm Dan Carey from Rockler and Woodworkers Journal. Thanks for watching.